Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a, I don't know, long fit something, it says on there, but it is a battery. And it looks like it's going to be a Dewalt style battery. It is 20 volts, 3 amp hours. That's pretty good for 3 amp hours to be nice and small. And so I have a Dewalt tool. This one here is a tile vibration machine. And it slips in just like anything should. And then, what is it, this one here to turn it on? There we go, and ooh, it works. So we have our there. We can push the button on the back here and we can see it came with 2 dots charged already. I love these batteries that are the smaller ones. I've been using some of these ones here. Let me show you. 6 amp ones, and the 6 amp ones last a long time, but gosh, they're so freaking heavy. So having a 3 amp one is totally nice and handy because it's nice and light for the drills, for the things. This thing here is a heavy piece of equipment anyway, so this one I can put anything on, but I have like multi-tools and things like that. So this is great for that. So totally cool to have a nice battery for my Dewalt tools. Very cool, thumbs up for sure.